everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to group charges in shipment of Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in into Fresa application. After a successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Now, go to the customer service module. From the customer service module, click the All Shipments menu. On this All Shipments page, enter the shipment number and click Submit. The required shipment will now be displayed on the screen. Here, click the Edit option. On this Shipment Details page, go to the Costing tab. Here, all the added charges will be displayed on the screen. Now, select the Sale option. On the Sale Charges window, go to the Charge Group column. Now, click the Edit option. Here, enter the charge group name. Now, click Save. Charges with the same charge group name will now be grouped. This is how to group charges in shipment of Fresa application. Thanks for watching.